Okay, hey guys. So for math today, first thing you're gonna do is find this paper in your packet. It says write the time displayed on each clock. This is kind of a review from last week. It's just time to the hour, so they're all gonna have 0, 0. They're all o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, whatever it is. So you're just gonna write the number underneath. So if it's 3 o'clock, you're going to write 3 dot dot 0 0. Okay, put this in your ELA notebook. Your math notebook, and write the answer underneath. Make sure you cut it out because it's too big right now. Okay, so take care of that, and then join me. Don't forget your math big sheet. It's a new week. Flip your math big sheet over. It's time to start the other side. Okay, you can do Monday and Tuesday, or you can just do Monday, and then you can do Thursday and Friday on Friday. However you want. It's up to you, okay? But do at least one day on your math big sheet today, okay? Now, we're going to keep going with time, but now we're going to move on from just talking about when the minute hand is up here. Now we're going to talk about what happens if the minute hand is down here. What does that mean? Okay, so first thing you need to know is, see how this hour hand is like, it's not on the 8, but it's not on the 9. Okay, you see that? Until this thing gets all the way up here on the 9, it is still 8. So if it's right here, right here, right here, right here, it is still 8 something, okay, 8 o'clock, 8:20, 8:50, whatever it is. It is 8 something until this hand gets all the way up here on the 9. Say watch. So right now it's 8:30. I'm going to explain that in a minute, but see, I keep moving this. Oops, I'm going the wrong way. Hold on. I keep moving this way, and see it's getting closer to the 9. And then once I get all the way up here, back to the top, it's on the 9, and now it's 9 o'clock. And then see, if I go around again, it's moving. It's still not 10. It's not 10. Still not 10. Still not 10 until I get all the way back up here. Now it's 10 o'clock. All right, this right here, it's not 10 o'clock yet. It has to be all the way up here. Okay, this is still 9:55. All right, so now I'm going to talk to you about how we get that this is 10:30. That this means 30, okay? Remember we talked about the minute hand has little ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we're going this way though, sorry. This front facing camera is getting me off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? So, and we already know how to count by 5s. So it's much easier for us, instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Instead of having to do that when you're just trying to see what time it is, we count by 5s. So, we already know that this is still 10 because it's not on the 11 yet. So it's 10 something. Okay, so let's see. We're going to go, this will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we know it's 10:30. Now, if this was over here, right here, we know that that means it's 10:31, 2. It's 10:32. Okay? So that's how we tell time to the half hour. It's also another way a lot of people say is, see how this is halfway. This is half of the clock right here. The 6 is halfway around. Because if you keep going halfway more, it's all whole. So 1/2 of the clock. So it would be, whoops. So a lot of people would say it's 10:30. 10:30. Okay, that's a very common thing a lot of people say. So someone says it's 10:30. That means it's 10:30. Okay, so what we are going to practice doing is some stuff to the half hour. The half hour. This says time to the half hour. So find your paper that says time to the half hour. And it says write the time shown on each clock. So let me pull it up here. It's got it. Sorry, this clock is noisy. Right here. I move my book. Okay, so see, that's what the first clock looks like. Now, we have to write it in here. Whoop, in here, right here. So we've got, is this hour hand, is it all the way to the 3 yet? It's not, so it's still 2. And we know when it's on the 6, that's 30. So 2:30 is the time. So on this first one, you have 2 dots like this and you have a square. You're gonna write 2:30. That's how you do it. That's what you're gonna write right there. And the next one would be, it's not all the way to the 1 yet, it's still on the 12. So it'd be 12. $12:30. Okay. Then on this side, it wants you to draw what that clock's gonna look like. So it gives you the number, 12:30. Well, that one's right there. But you're gonna draw 12:30 on the clock. Whoa. 12. Move that out of the way. Sorry, guys. Okay. 12:30 is right there. You'll draw the hour and the minute hand on the clock. Then the next one is 6:30. 4, 5, 1 more, 6. 6:30. You'll draw that on over here, okay? That's all you have to do, and then you'll be done with math for today.